Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today I share with you how I fix this lighting bulb diode. First of all, let's make sure if it's working or not. Up. As you can see, it's not working, so well, let's open it. And the key thing is that here we can see diodes, and we should recognize which of them are not working. So I can see here that if there are some black dots on the diode is not working, and our task is to using soldering iron, which is this, to make it work. I did it again with this one, so you understand that it's just going to make it I'm gonna make it to conduct a current, as you can see here. So if you are familiar with soldering iron, it won't be a problem. Let's take a look. Before using the soldering iron, we need to a little bit scratch that yellow surface, excuse me, yellow surface that is on our diode, on our surface, so that it would be easier for us to work with the soldering iron. So I did this with the first one, and I'm going to do the same thing, the same thing with another one that is not working, right? As you can see, they are ready. Now we are going to use soldering iron. At last, here, as you can see, I did it. Not very aesthetically attractive, because my soldering iron is also not very powerful, and you need, if you use a tin, you need to use that high quality tin or any other material. So I just made it, and let's see how it works. So, despite the fact that it's not very nicely looking, the lighting bulb itself is working, so let's see. And let's turn it on. Oh. As you can see, it's working. Cool. Hit the subscribe button if this video was helpful to you, and thank you.